Hello everyone, in this video we will just transfer data entering in one sheet and to another sheet. For example, we are writing data in these input fields, okay, ID, name, age, salary, but by pressing this button we will transfer this data to the sheet 2, okay, to this table. For example, you have 15, 20, 30, 40 rows here, columns here, and you want to enter. That is hard for you to move through that, and you are entering thousands of record. So for that is simply just create here input fields, and by pressing a button you can transfer that data to that sheet very easily. Okay, so let's check it. Okay, let's enter, for example, this is the 9th record, like let's check it. Okay, right now we have until Hasib, and this is Jamil, like, and age 25 and salary 1500, and press this transfer data. See, the data has transferred. See, 9th Jamil 25 1500, the data has transferred to this sheet successfully. So in this video we will just perform this. So let's get started. So I removed the button and also the data from this sheet, okay, and so now let's get started. First of all, I will write a record here. First, Naeem 19,000. Okay, so the first thing is, first of all, we will just copy this one record. Okay, copy this one and paste it here. Also copy these three and just paste here, and come here to face special to transpose it. Okay, we will just transpose the data. Yeah, after writing the first record, so now we will just record a macro. We will perform this task by using macros. So for the macros, we will come here to the developer tab. Okay, if the developer tab is not on in your Excel, so for that simply just come here in an empty place, just right click, just come here and right click. After right click, just click this customize the ribbon. After pressing this, just check the developer, okay, then press OK. So the developer tab will be opened in your Excel. So after opening this, we will use these two options, okay, record macro and use relative reference. So first of all, we will come and record a macro. Let's press this record a macro and assign a name, that is transfer data, and use this workbook. Press OK. After OK, just come here, click on this and Control C. Copy this one, then come here to the sheet 2. And after that click here. After clicking here, just press control down arrow. Control down arrow, we will come to the last record. After that, open click this use relative reference. After clicking that option, come again, press down arrow to come down. After that, press control V. Okay, we have just pasted our data, our first record. Then press right arrow to come to the right side, and then just uncheck this use relative reference. After pressing that, come again to this another field and copy this name. After copying this, come here again to sheet 2 and paste it here. After pasting, use relative reference, check this option and press right arrow, come to the right side, then again uncheck this option, come to sheet 1, again press this one, Control C and Control V. Just open this use relative reference, come to the right side, uncheck this and come here and copy this. Again move to the sheet 2, paste it and use relative reference, come to the right side. After doing this task, just come here to the sheet 1 and delete all the data and click here. After that, stop recording. See, the macro has recorded now. So now we will create a button to assign this macro to that button. So for that, just come here to the developer mode. In the developer, come here to the insert. In the insert, this is also a button and also this is also a button. Which one you use, so you can use that. Press this one, we will create a button. Just come here to create a button, or here down. Let's this, we will click this macro. Okay, we will assign this macro to that button and press OK. Now we will change the name of this button, transfer data, and also let's make it like this. That is okay. If you want to edit it, so simply right click on this, just right click on this and format control, so you can format this button. So now leave it like this. Okay, just come here and write I think before we press the button an empty record has inserted. See, an empty record has inserted there. That was because we clicked this button before. So let's write 3 and write serve and write 30 and salary 2000 and press transfer data. So the data has moved to this sheet. See, again come here and write here 4 and write here reap age 19 2000 and press transfer data. Come here, see the fourth record has entered. So this is how we did it. Okay, these are the records that we has automatically transferred to from one sheet to another sheet using Excel. But sorry, one thing else that I missed, that is that whenever you are saving this file, so let's save it, Control S, and we should save it let's use the documents and not XLS. Let's close it and come here, save as, and after coming to the save as, place here in this PC documents, and after that whenever you came here, just save as type. Okay, the type should be Excel enabled macro. Let's find that Excel macro enabled template, not this is the second one. Okay, Excel macro enabled workbook. Okay, you should save like this, because if you open it again, if you save just Excel workbook, so the macro will not work. So save it as Excel macro enabled workbook. Okay, press this one and then save it. So the file has saved. So it was all about transferring the data and saving this. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video and comment down. Thanks for watching.